Imagine waking up to a YouTube channel that's growing on its own without ever showing your face writing scripts or editing videos. Sounds unreal, right? But what if I told you AI can do it all for you? Today, I'll show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel using nothing but AI. We're talking AI. Generated ideas, AI scripts, AI voiceovers, AI video editing, every step automated. And the best part, your videos will be 100% monetizable. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal a secret tool that can make your videos go viral faster than you think. Normally, people struggle to start a YouTube channel because they don't know what niche to choose, how to script and record, how to edit videos professionally. But AI has changed the game. Forget needing years of experience today. We'll let AI handle everything. First, we need to pick a niche, but not just any niche. A high RPM, highly profitable one. Imagine spending months making cat videos only to earn pennies. Nope, we're not doing that. Instead, we're picking a niche that pays big. Step 1. Finding a profitable niche with AI. I'll ask ChatGPT, give me high RPM faceless YouTube niches. And boom, we get niches like finance and investing, tech and business, crypto and real estate. I'm choosing personal finance and investing because the RPM is insane. Step 2, creating a channel name and branding. We ask ChatGPT for unique channel names and check YouTube to ensure they aren't overused. Once we find an untapped name, we lock it in. Now for the logo and banner, AI will handle this too. Using tools like Leonardo.ibing, Image Creator, or Adobe Firefly, we generate a stunning brand identity in minutes. Step 3, automating content creation. Now comes the real magic: creating videos without lifting a finger. AI writes the script. ChatGPT generates a full video script in seconds. AI generates the voiceover tools like 11 Labs or Play HT, create natural sounding voices. AI creates the video Pictory Synthesia or Runway. Take our script and turn it into a complete YouTube video with stock footage, animations, and AI-generated clips. Step 4, upload and optimize for success. Before hitting upload, we need a killer title, SEO tags, and a thumbnail. AI tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ help us find viral keywords, while Canva or Leonardo.ai generate high-click thumbnails. But here's the secret that will skyrocket your views. Step 5, the growth hack. YouTube loves engagement. The trick: AI-generated comments and community posts. ChatGPT can generate compelling pinned comments and video descriptions to boost interaction. And just like that, you've got a fully automated YouTube business. But what's next? You need a strategy to monetize your channel. I will tell you how to monetize your channel in the next video. So please like this video, comment, and share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel.